what's up? It's Jimena. Welcome back to my vlog. Today it is Vlogmas and it is December 1st. I am so excited. I don't think I've ever done Vlogmas before ever on my channel, so I'm super excited to be doing Vlogmas this year. I am so pumped. I have my cozy sweater, so you know we're already up in here. So a couple of exciting things are happening today, so I'm really excited to share that with you guys. One of them being that I got a new vlogging camera. I'm currently vlogging with my Canon G7X, but like I dropped it a couple months ago and the screen shattered, the flash won't work, like the LCD, I won't even see myself right side up. It's like upside down. That's the image is upside down. So yeah, some serious problems, some serious damage was made to this camera. But I finally was able to pick up a new one yesterday, just in time for Vlogmas. I was like, if I am going to film Vlogmas, I need to get a different camera, because if it stops working or for whatever reason, I need to be able to have one that will work. So I've been saving up for it, and I was finally able to pick it up yesterday. And I am going to make myself breakfast. Yeah, this lighting is just no bueno. I'm gonna be making myself some breakfast. It is currently 11. Like, it took me forever to get ready because, you know, a lot of people had to shower before me. So this is what I'm going to be preparing for breakfast. I am making myself an everything bagel, and this is by the brand, hold up, let me see, Western Bagel. I don't know, my parents bought that, and also some Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to be making myself 2 scrambled eggs, and also I'm going to have some strawberries because they're like my favorite fruit ever. So we're going to have this for breakfast. I literally just heard someone knock in the back, at the back door, and I'm literally alone. There's no one here and no one comes through the back door. I'm super scared. I'm hoping it's just the neighbors back there. I'm so scared. I'm like looking out the window. Even Mochi, like, where'd she go? I think she also heard the knock and she literally came. Look at her. She's right there. What happened, Mama? What'd you see? What'd you see? But, dude, I am freaking out. I'm looking through the window, seeing if there's anyone out there, but there's not, so I'm a little bit scared. Pray for me. Okay, so this is the camera I purchased. It is the Canon EOS M50, and I heard really good things about this camera. So excited. Oh my god, why can't I open this? So we've got the usual. We've got some manuals, which I don't even read because, yeah, we just don't have time to read those, guys. And the words are like super freaking tiny as, the words are super freaking tiny as well. Yeah, I'm not gonna read that. But here it is. We've got the EOS camera strap, and this is super tiny. It just says Canon. What else do we have in here? We've got the battery. I have to get another one of these so that I can have 2 batteries whenever I'm vlogging a super long vlog, because I definitely go through the batteries like crazy. What is this? Oh, this is the charger. Yeah. And we finally got the camera. Oh, it's so cute. Is there something else in here? Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the lens. There we go. Okay, I was like, where's the lens? I'm so used to not having a lens for my vlog camera. This is the body. It looks pretty. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. How cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is so cute. It's so tiny. Well, it's a lot bigger than my G7X. It has like a much bigger grip. grip. The body is a lot wider, you know, all over. And it also has a viewfinder, which is so cool. I've never had that on a vlogging camera before. This is like a mini Canon 80D. Like, it has the flip out screen. Look at how beautiful that is, ladies and gentlemen. Just look at how beautiful that is. Amazing. And the lens goes here. The thing, I don't like this screen. I don't like the fact that I'm going to have to vlog like this. I don't know. I just don't like that. I don't like the way it looks. Like, I would have preferred if the vlog camera or the this LCD was down here maybe. The only problem with that is that I wouldn't be able to put a tripod on, but that's okay. Like, I don't really need a tripod. And then up here, I know that they didn't put it here because obviously we have a viewfinder and the flash and also the microphone input, which I am going to use. So it would be best for me if I were like designing this myself to put the viewfinder at the bottom. I don't know, it just makes the camera seem a lot longer or wider, however you want to look at it. But okay guys, so I finally finished setting it up, but okay, you guys can't really see here, but the quality is so clear. I love it. It just looks so amazing. If you put your eye to that, you can see through the viewfinder, and that looks pretty good as well. I have the strap on it. It literally has no battery. It's flashing red, so I am going to go ahead and charge it, and then I am going to start vlogging with this one. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the first footage on my new Canon EOS M50, and I'm so excited. I had some clips to show you guys of my breakfast, but the computer started to be like really retarded, and I can no longer upload those clips onto my editing software. But I changed my outfit. I don't know if you saw, I had like a mustard sweater, but now I changed to this lavender thing, and we have right here Maria, the very famous Maria. We have Renata, my sister. Okay, go, leave, she's annoying. And then we have Chris. And we're about to go to like a casting thing. If you guys...
For me.
For Maria.
Yeah.
She's
watch
joking.
them say, Maria, are you...
Yeah, they're gonna... Because she's like the perfect height.
No, I'm not even like...
Yes, guys. Okay, she's super tall. Like, I'm by her shoulders, maybe. Basically, what's going to happen is my sister has been wanting to do modeling for a while now, and I've been into acting from a very small age, so it runs in the family. But what's it called, we're gonna go to a casting for her and maybe for me. I don't know, it just depends on what they have. It's like a modeling, acting, singing school sort of thing, so that's where we're gonna be going today. We are supposed to be there at 3. That's the time of our appointment, and it's already 2:17, and it's all the way in downtown LA. And we are in, we're in the valley, so it's pretty far from us. So we're gonna be heading now. Hey guys, what's up? So it is now check-in time. It's actually really late. It's 8:29, technically 8:30, and we just got home from the like acting modeling school that my sister and I went to, and it was so much fun. But we actually didn't even like stay or like pay to take the classes yet because they are really expensive. It's like $4,000 almost for 2 people. It is on. I feel like I really love the rose gold colors that my tree has, and like the regular gold and the gold and just like this beautiful like pink copper. But my mom says it looks like a little depressing, and I don't blame her for thinking it looks depressing. Like, now I feel like it kind of does. So I might buy different spheres just to put on the tree. So guys, I think that is all for today's vlog. I know it was super short, but I couldn't even vlog inside of the school thing just because I didn't want to get in trouble or anything like that. There were like other people, and there were people that were like younger than 18 as well, and I don't want to get any like problems with the law for filming their children or whatever. After this, I'm just going to go ahead and edit this video. I actually already started editing it, and then I have to edit an actual video that I'm getting paid to edit for a friend of mine. So that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to be on the lookout for tomorrow's vlog. You definitely don't want to miss it, and this thing is super heavy. Like, I'm getting kind of tired. But stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and I will see you guys on the next vlog. Happy December 1st, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.